There's a stop sign?
Bro.
Whoa. Holy crap.
My, left or right? Downhill,
I'm
uphill?
saying right because it's like a fucking NASCAR race! Oh my god!
I think you're right. You're gonna wreck so bad because you don't know how to ride. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another Chase and Yummi Adventure season. I am Chase.
And I'm Yummi.
Guys, this is the show where we ride around on our supermotos and try to have an adventure because friendship. And if it wasn't for a couple sponsors, we wouldn't have been able to do this season. Yummi, who is this season sponsored by?
Those sponsors being Revzilla, Senna, and Rock!
Ta-da! Without those sponsors, guys, we would not be able to have a motorcycle, have communication, or anything like that. So, if you want to check out any of the gear we have on, or these Bluetooth devices that allow us to talk together, or these really dope helmets that look cool, all those links are going to be down in the description. Without further ado, we got some stupid shit to get to, so let's get into the episode.
Let's do it!
Yay, friendship!
Here we go!
In the episode where Chase hits Yummi.
Oh, look at that!
I was about to say, but I didn't.
Whoa. There was like, there looked like some new stuff near it.
Wait, take
so
a right.
It looks like people still take a right here.
Right, yeah, because there's like nothingness over here. Oh, a dead end? Perfect. Oh my god, rock. Holy shit, rocks.
Bro, I'm telling you, this is literally gonna end at someone's driveway again.
You're doing kind of okay for not riding in 4 years, you know?
You know, it is what it is. I'm kind of just the best. I don't mean to brag.
My god, I do not need any more. I don't need your ego to get any bigger. You're gonna pop out of those gear that Revzilla gave us linked in the description. Oh wait, hold on. We got homes now.
We got a home on the left. It says for sale.
So we're technically okay here.
So this kind of looks like it was supposed to be a bunch of houses, but it never made it.
Dude, what if it's the back of all the horse places? Okay, now that is
okay, we got a mailbox.
No.
No one lives here. No, maybe they do.
Wait, what is it though? Do you think that's where they just bring the animals in and out?
Maybe?
Because we got some big boys.
There ain't no animals in there.
Yike. Hold on. We on scout mode. Let's scout the rest of this.
It looks like it's freshly cut, so I don't want to like.
Right.
But the fence is broken. Dude, there's no one even in there.
Hold on now, fam. Hold on now. We
have to stop. There is an orange cone. This is where it ends.
I'm trying to stop. Oh, I accidentally went past.
Okay, so these houses on our left, one is put together, but the other ones are still getting put together.
Hold on, silent mode. We're on creep. God, this is the most awkward thing we've done. This is actually like we're trying to do awkward shit.
Is this the front of the house or the back of that house on the left?
Dude, it doesn't look like they have
There's a mailbox. It's gotta be the front. What the hell?
Dude. What if we could get into there?
Yeah, but how are you gonna get in there? It's not posted either.
Yeah, there's no way we get into that. But dude, if we did,
let's go check out the other place. Maybe
we just go to like the top of the hill and get a shot, like see what's up, you know. And then if it's stuff, we leave.
All right. I mean, there's no way there's animals in there because the fence is completely broken down.
They wouldn't have had the animals in there, and if the animals were in there, they'd be like, "Freedom, bitch!
I'm free."
For real though, is that the front or the back of that house? Because I don't see a driveway.
Bro, the mailbox is right here. It's got to be the front.
Because I don't see a road. Oh, maybe they got a really tall driveway.
Because look, this house right here is still in construction. I just don't understand why there'd be a mailbox in the backyard.
Do you know how pissed off I'd be as a mail operator to have to come down this long ass road for one thing? Okay, so we don't want to tear the ground up, right?
No.
We don't want to be respectful.
We're not trying to damage the property. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But the weird thing is like there's a gate. Oh shit! No, never mind.
Whoa.
Me. I saw a damn trailer and I thought there was a house here.
Oh my god, dude, we have just. Oh,
bro, I'm so lost. There's a gate, but there's nothing here.
Oh wait, dude, that's the fucking house. That house.
Oh shit! You're right. Turn around. Oh my god.
Turn around. Act totally normal, so that.
Bro, that doesn't make any sense. Why? It literally makes no sense. It doesn't look like any type of property.
I just want to know the top of the hill. I'm sorry.
Hey, you do that. I have now realized this is not abandoned and people own this, so I am leaving.
I just want to see the top of the hill. I just want to know.
You can see the top of the hill. I'm leaving.
Bro, oh my god, we're leaving, focusing.
Like that driveway is like more than a mile long, and then in the front, it's like as if the house was supposed to be in the front.
Bro, where did you go? Where are you right now?
I'm slowly going down the trail.
on the back to. Oh, I see you. Okay.
Yeah, I'm my guy.
Okay. Whoops.
Bro, I wonder why they have it like that. They don't like do anything
Dude,
in
that
the
makes
front.
no sense. If I had a
Right?
big ass house like that and a big ass gate and there was a hole in it, I would 100% put like private property. Don't ride your supermoto.
Well, that was adventurous. Kind of weird, but
Oh shit!
I thought we
Don't come
yeah,
down
bad
too
idea.
fast.
Bad idea. Bad idea.
Dude, I'm so not good on road because the second or some off road because the second things get shady, I'm like, I don't know how to stop. All right, so we need to find that neighborhood
Why do we want to find the neighborhood?
to see how far the buildings are.
That's a bunch of tomfoolery.
Oh, was that anti-police?
I-
Oh, can we go?
Go,
Can we
go,
Can
go,
we
go, 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 go,
Hurry!
go. Here we go.
All right, so where do you even get into the neighborhood?
I think it's the neighborhood on the right, probably. It looks,
700s? Oh, there's got to be a gate, right?
Yes?
No.
No. They're probably definitely going to be putting a gate. Look at this place. Oh my god.
Can you imagine?
How you going to have a house that big in a one-car garage? Oh, never mind. There's a two-car right there.
Bro, he's got 4.
Whack. Bro, look at this lawn. It's so dead, but still so clean.
So what do these people drive is what I'm curious.
They have a brand new SRT Jeep up there.
Okay, so that's not bad. Dude, look at the little tiny house with the garage.
Bet that would be my house.
Oh, dude, that's the thing. Look, on the left. They do that.
Shit, you're right.
There's
That's
just
a good
tiny
design.
houses over the garage. Bro, I want that so bad. I could work in the bottom and then edit in the top.
And then we have this Toyota.
Yeah, that guy's working here for sure.
He definitely works here.
There's no doubt in my mind. Yeah, look, these are those big ass driveways. So this is where everybody is living. I've never seen houses that all of them have the two-decker garage thing. We're just looking, we're looking,
Same tax bracket. How are you? Same tax bracket. How you doing? Same tax bracket. How are you?
We're looking for jobs. We're looking for homes. We're looking for jobs.
So they're gonna, dude. They're gonna build houses down there, bro. Look to your left. Those are lots to your left. They're gonna build houses down there.
Dude, look at how extra expense do you think that is to put all that there? I bet these are the type of people that have heated bathroom floors.
That sounds awesome. What are you kidding?
I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying these seem to be the type of people.
All right. So this house, the White House on the up here, isn't that what the one we just saw was?
Oh, dude, no way. That one was way back there. We have come into a new era.
Whoa, that one's got. Dude, look at the house in front of you. It's got like a mini tiny door. Like, see it?
What? Dude, I couldn't fit through that door.
Bro, it's got a baby door.
Oh, that's just the side door. They've got the real door that is my door that I can fit through.
I know, but it's a baby door for the little house on the right.
No, it's a tiny house for tiny people. What if this video comes out and I still have no channel? Do you know how sad I'll be?
Then it would be on my channel and not yours, because you know.
Maybe Yummi can move here because Chase can't afford it.
Yeah, but then you wouldn't have enough money to buy a Jeep because that video is going to hit 1 million views. So if you haven't seen that video, by the way, the video before that, we looked at an Apache helicopter.
We want a Jeep. Dude, I want a tiny garage house on my main house. I've never realized how bad I want that now until this moment. Same tax bracket. How's it going, guys? Same tax bracket.
Same tax bracket. How you doing? Same tax bracket. Oh God, he's doing a U-turn.
Oh, that's
Or maybe he's backing it up. Oh God, I'm falling. Thanks, bro. You're a great guy. Dude, they got a fire hose on the side of the house. What?
Nobody's burning that bitch down. Dude, I love the tiny garage houses. You know for a fact, these people have maybe one kid. These houses are ridiculous.
Look at that Jeep, though. That Jeep's nice.
That Jeep is not really good. But they don't got the baby garage house. Screw those guys. Now, we got to figure out what happens down here because it looks undeveloped.
Are you talking about on the right?
Hard right, hard right.
Hard right?
Downshift,
Okay.
hard right.
All right, we're getting stared at from the left.
Uh-oh, we got a gate situation, but
The left, they're looking at us.
we're getting stared at?
Yeah, he's going to call the police. I fixed my visor. I'm ready.
Okay. Wait, we're not trespassing. The gate was open. We're just riding down
Oh,
property.
yeah, we're just riding. There's a
We're
road. so you're right.
prospective purchasers.
There's a stop sign in the front.
Bro,
Whoa, holy crap.
My, left or right? Downhill,
I'm
uphill.
saying right because it's like a fucking NASCAR race. Oh my God!
I think you're right. You're gonna wreck so bad because you don't know how to ride.
Oh my God, bro!
Are you serious?
It's a track!
No! It is! Oh my God! We have discovered it! And we have brand new tires, bro! Dude, no wonder people were staring the f*** at us. I would be too.
Oh my God.
goodness.
Wait, okay, we got houses to the left, but what do we got to the right?
Now I want to live on this side. Can you imagine coming home every day? Dude, you could just full send home.
All right, here we go. We're checking it out.
Hold on, come on.
It's still a track, baby.
We found more track.
We got a cul-de-sac, cul-de-sac, cul-de-sac.
Dude, do you know how perfect wheelie practice is for here? Bro, yeah, look, home site 8? No.
How is this under contract? Please someone explain to me in construction how this is under contract. Where are you going to build? Dude, there's a freaking path through here.
You know what they're gonna do? This is gonna be the long ass driveway and they're gonna build down there. That's 100. You can't build on a damn cliff edge.
Yeah. Well, there is like a cool pathway if you see
Oh,
it.
dude, what a cool shot. Like, I don't have.
Oh my God, Instagram.
Wait, hold on. You know what we need to do? You know what we need to do? Hold on. Hey, Yummy, well, let's leave them on a cliffhanger.
Chase! Yeah, I got you. I got you. Dum, dum. Wow, what a cliffhanger! If there even is one.
There should be if we did our job correctly. Guys, that is the end of the episode. If you want to watch more of it, we will have a playlist for the Chase and Yummy series down below. That is the best way to not miss a single one of the shenanigans that we get into. If you enjoy this video,
have so much content that you could watch. You could watch it for an entire weekend of not working.
absolutely. So if you enjoyed this video, also do the YouTube thing and hit that like button. And make sure to be subscribed to Yummy and my channel, Chaseontwowheels. All of the info will be down in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye!